Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Frankenstein, finally getting the steering wheel with the quick release. Remember the last video we did the steering column, we had that in there ready to go. So all we need to do is steering wheel and the quick release hub. So I went with the NRG just because I bought this a while back, probably almost a year ago. This is our old steering columns, you guys can see. Now IDIDIT does offer their own version of the quick release, but I didn't pay for that just because I already had one. So we have already got the quick release portion off of it, and I'm taking off the hub now. So all you're gonna really need is a little steering wheel puller that you guys can go out and get, AutoZone or Riley's, whatever your nearest auto parts next door. So it's pretty simple. You put these two bolts on here, the correct ones that fit, and then tighten it down, and then run the bolt through the center, through the hub, and it should pop right out as soon as you put the pressure on there, just like that. So now that we got that off, we can use that on the new one. And then we'll see, you're gonna need that horn contact here, and you're gonna need this guy here as well. So you can put that into the new horn contact, so that way your horn still works. And then we're gonna go ahead and remove this lever because I really like these levers. They're powder coated black. We're going to reuse that one on the new column. So let me get this off and I'll meet you over there. All right, we are back at the column now. And you want to make sure you guys have this horn contact in this position here, and then with this opening here, so that way we can slide that guy in here. You're going to use that provided screw in the kit from IDIDIT to screw that on. Nice and snug. Test it out, make sure everything looks good. So far so good. Okay, so we're ready for the hub. Everything seems to be looking good. Now we are going to use the provided horn contact cable lead here. So you want to put this guy on prior to you putting that hub on, because it's going to be almost impossible to get that thing on there, you know. So put that on before you do that, like so, and then line up your hub, run the cable through that hole there, along with your horn contact should go right through there. So let's see. Another way to make sure you're straight is that NRG should be up here on the top, I should say, should be pointing dead center there. So that's how you know you're dead center, nice and straight. And all you got to do now is run your nut there, run your nut down, and then you're good to go. And then next thing you know, we just got to put that quick release hub. Okay, next up we got that NRG quick release hub. Pretty self-explanatory. You're gonna run, obviously that one will have a female end to male. Plug that in. Make sure it's making contact. Same thing here, yellow to yellow, black to black. Pretty simple. You're gonna have to tuck these in, down in the middle like so. And they should have, in the kit, they should provide you these Allen screws. Just go ahead and screw all those in, tighten them up, and should be all good to go other than your steering wheel. All we got left, guys, is the SPARCO steering wheel, looking real good, looking real fine. So the NRG hub on this side, I'm not gonna go over it just because it's pretty much self-explanatory. Kind of what we did here, same thing. You have these 6 screws that hold this hub on. Place that guy on there like so, and that's it. And what's going to allow you to make that horn contact is the actual contacts themselves in here that'll contact that guy there. So you literally just bam. We styling, boy. We styling though. Yes sir. Look at that. Oh yeah, damn, that looks good, you guys. That looks real good. So quick release, boom, pop it out, walk away real quick. You know, I like it, y'all. I like it a lot. Looking real good. But I think that's gonna do it for this video because I'm sweating my ass off in here. It's super hot. But hopefully this helps you guys out. NRG is the company I went with just because they've always had some really good steering wheels, quick releases. So I bought it a long time ago, like I said, but couldn't be more than happy to team it up with that IDIDIT column. Appreciate the guys over at IDIDIT once again. And I am almost ready. We almost ready, guys. Just like that. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell for notifications, and stay wrenching.